to 6 day holidays.
Yes.
All peoples gather together.
Subject is shopping, and we shopping a lot of things in Diwali.
All relatives gather together and celebrate Diwali, like Dhanatrayodashi, Narak Chaturdashi, Lakshmi Puja, and then Bhau-Beej. All relations are available.
All peoples gather together and celebrate this festival happily.
Festival.
Okay.
And,
For this festival, we
long
make so
duration of
many.
this festival.
My question is that what is the difference between celebration of festivals? How the men celebrate the festival and how women celebrate the festival? Because we are the 2 men and 2 women in our group. So you have to
Men
both
will
of you discuss
Men will-
what are the responsibilities you
Men-
have to take. What do you expect from the men in the house?
Yeah.
What अपेक्षा ज्याला म्हणतात की भाई what expectations you have from this side in your house? Yes, can you please say?
Men
Because
will
we are
give to
only
money.
Oja, we can only the boys in the house.
Too much money. Economical help.